Hi, and welcome to Montauk Vapes, the channel for those of you looking for a safer alternative to smoking, or those of you just getting started with vaping and are confused about all the choices of devices and the confusing terminology that new vapors struggle with. I've been a learning and development professional for over 30 years and have a passion for educating people. I've also been a smoker for over 40 years, and I just quit. I started vaping about 2 years ago, and I've learned a lot about vaping through trial and error. I'm going to be sharing videos with you every other week about everything you need to know to stop smoking, start vaping, and staying healthier.